Hi, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm back. Today I'm going to auto shop, auto care in Albion, here in Toronto. I'm back. Good morning guys. Sa ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa auto care center at tayo ay magpa-oil change doon. Kasi sa Mitsubishi ay wala akong appointment at busy parati doon, kaya doon na lang sa kaibigan ko sa auto care sa may Albion Mall dito sa Toronto, kaya dadayo tayo ngayon. Okay, samahan nyo ako. Bilis naman yun. Mahirap talaga dito, kailangan safety ka parati. Tingnan mo lahat pati sa likod. Na may GPS. Doon. Rear camera. Gaya nito. Puro sa alanganin ang tirada niya. Yan na naman sa likod ko. Madali parati, hindi naman marunong mag-diskarte. Kaya pati tuloy ako, kanya ng butik ko. Init niya eh. Hey! Ano po na nga siya. Dito tayo ngayon. Kalma lang tayo. Dito sa driving. Busy na ngayon, nag-open na. Kaya lang dito sa Brampton, Mississauga at saka sa Windsor ay hindi pa nag-open. Itong tinatako ngayon ay Highway 50 towards to Toronto. Nadaanan ng intersection ng Steels. Kaya didiretso na sa Albion Road. Malapit na tayo. Under the bridge, kaya may iba ang sounds natin. Shout out nga pala dyan sa mga Father's Day, mga father, kagaya ko, mga papasok na maging father. Happy Father's Day this Sunday. Fathers Day sa buong mundo, sa mga matitinong father at saka mga bad na father, saka sa mga nagiging father. Kaya malapit na tayo. Kaya dito ang bahay ni Warlito eh, dito sa Silverstone. Shout out Warlito Pascua, San Nicolas, Malilyon, Pangasinan. Yan sa mga taga Malilyon na kamag-anak, si Kapitan Salde Rodrigo, mga official dyan sa Malilyon, sa mga bayan ng San Nicolas. Yan, malapit na tayo. Yan, maliit lang siya. Yan o, auto care. Dati dyan kami nakatira sa building na yan. Kasama namin si Insan Jolie Rodrigo. Nakapagtagal din kami dyan ng almost 5 years. Dito na tayo. Yun, simple lang. Ayan, tayong naunan. Yan, si Mrs. naman dito, dito sa may intersection na yan. Kipling Albion. Pinablot nila yung bag niya. Eh, nandun lahat yung mga passport namin. Yung mga kwintas o ano, nakuha sa kanya. Eh, yun, nawala. Binago na lang namin lahat. May mga loko rin dito kasi. Lalo na yan, party na yan. Yan yung kulay brown na yan na building. Yan.
Get that heart rate up. And again, we are punching everything that's right away. Beautiful. Stay with it. And shoot, shine it back.
Hey, what's up guys? Now this is my friends. This is the one technician or my
this is my good friend too.
doing the oil change from Auto Shop Care. Yeah, nagre-ready na siya. Bubuksan niya yung pintuan ng auto shop niya. Okay. Mamaya natin ituloy. Yeah, ipasok ko na sa kasa. Para ko mauna. Yan natin yung area.
Walk it high plank. Just omit the push-up. Easy as that. How are you feeling? We're doing this. We have about 15 seconds left.
Yan yung mekaniko na gagawa sa ating sasakyan.
Give me one more exhalation at the top. And then you have your four hooks. All right. Next exercise.
Now is checking my car.
Squat punch combo. Either with
This
spine
UV.
hands and guard.
Mitsubishi.
Two shuffles. Step it into that squat. Reach for that punch. Two shuffles. Step it. Reach. Now you want to keep your
Set up my car now. I'm gonna do the oil change.
Right out of the room. Right?
Let me see that one.
Keep it up. Shuffle now. If you're feeling a little spicy, all right, you can take that and give me.
See,
Right
this
here,
is the
a jump squat.
name
Right
of the
into
auto care,
that punch.
the owner.
Release that heel. So it's really up to you. Do about 10 more seconds. Keep it
Welcome
going.
to the Auto Shop Center.
Hands and guard.
This is
There we go.
Mr.
One more. Beautiful.
Sean.
Right.
Shanawaz,
Walking plank and
Yeah,
fighting
he's the
from
one
the
to.
bottom.
This is Auto Shop is the best. I always come here and he's the introduced is on Auto Shop. So what do you need? What is the best you do here?
Well, we do here everything. We do the oil changes, tire change, brakes, muffler, engine, transmission, air conditioner, all the jobs, guys, whatever you need at the best prices. With all my mechanics certified and licensed mechanics, we do the best job. Once you come here, you don't like to go anywhere else. It's the best place to visit.
Yeah, I'm
And
always.
the best thing is my customer. He can
I've
tell
always
you
come
what
back
the-
here and I ask a favor, discount. You know, Filipinos always discount.
Oh,
And
yes.
he's angry.
Filipinos are the best.
Yeah, now we have to go to my car and let's see the other technician doing my car now.
Beautiful. All right, we're going to take it down to a seated position. So we have
So if you want to see my YouTube is PhilCanTV.
How you gonna take it?
Yeah.
back.
And you subscribe to and you can do yourself. I can
Two
help you.
counter punches.
You have one?
So going back,
Oh.
You know, when these days the kids small.
They are smarter than us, eh?
All the smart ones.
I start only like a month now, and I got the subscriber in 3 weeks.
mimic evasion twist. And again, you want to protect your face.
So sooner or later, you're gonna get
And of course,
4,000 hours.
on the temples. Now on those straight punches, I want you to cross your body. That's how we're going to really fire up that core. How are you feeling?
So he's doing the engine,
Better.
and
How amazing is
everything you
boxing
need.
and kickboxing, right?
they're doing
All
some
those therapeutic benefits. All that toned
changing
aesthetics,
the
you're
transmission.
feeling good, right? Keep it up. Right, you
You
have
can
this
see
box,
around, you
there's
can
two
buy
colors. Go ahead,
what
give
you
me
like
one
here.
more.
There is new tires.
All right, that's it, and you're probably out of
This is
breath.
very
I know
safe.
I am. Okay.
You always check around on your car. So there, we're doing the brake tube service, brake muffler, engine transmission, and this number is 416-742-9615. Yeah. Shanawaz. The name is Shanawaz. Oh, maybe this is invert. So we're gonna take that later. Yan, mga kababayan. Yan, mura na, maasahan pa. Sasabihin nila ang dapat nilang sabihin sa yung sasakyan na kung anong dapat nilang gawin. Saka matulungin sila sa mga pagbabayad mo, pwede mong tawaran. Yan. Yan si Shanawaz. Okay. Dre, what's your name?
Khalid.
Khalid.
Yeah.
Yeah. From where are you? Huh? Where? From where are you?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, yeah. Pakistan. It's done? Yeah, he checked all the brakes. Gonna put synthetic. I think this is the one, right? 5W20. Yeah. Synthetic. That's brand new, not used.
What? Oil?
If it's used, it's worth $15, right? No, always say if you use brand new.
Yeah, it's fast.
How's your family?
Good, good.
Good? Yeah, me too. You know when you start doing this COVID, we're still working. Continuous.
How's
Was
your
my-
back home? Is everybody okay?
Huh?
Your back home is everybody okay?
Yeah, everything okay. And it's not, they are live in rural area. Para sa oil change. We want to put the odometer there. And then coming back to maintenance again. In 6 months. As long as we can reach that maintenance date. Yeah, busy. Oh. How much?
60.
60. Oh, see? Oh, it's only 60.
देखा crankshaft
2, 4. Yeah, 60. That's cheap. Yeah. See?
Okay, bye
Okay,
guys.
thank you, buddy.
If you need
And
anything, guys can come anytime. You don't need any appointment, just drive in and we will serve you.
yeah, I'm coming back to check again my car. And thank you, brother.
Thank
See you
you.
around. Bye.
This side, this side.
This the other side. Hello. Okay guys, I'm leaving now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye. So, tapos na ang oil change ng aking sakyan at nagbayad lang ako ng 60. That is synthetic pa yan. Abot na naman tayo ng maximum is 6 months. Yeah. Para hindi masyadong magastos. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, that's good. Thank you. See, lambot na naman. Hindi na mag-long drive. Yeah, eksakto sa Father's Day. Kung sa kabila yan, hindi pa ako tapos. Kasi tingnan nyo, sabi niya walang appointment, basta pumunta lang kayo doon. Mag-abiso lang kayo na kung nandyan siya, tawagan nyo siya anytime at gagawin niya yung sasakyan nyo right away. First come, first serve. See? Lambot ah. Kilometer ng aking sasakyan ay 98,983 ang odometer kilometer niya at babalik daw ako dito ng 10,700 no 105,982 107, sabi nga 107,982. See, matagal ah. Sabi ko na sa inyo eh, synthetic yan.